Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to set up Google Voice Assistant on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So I'm provide full guide. So open your Google, click on to profile, scroll down, press on settings, then showing it to Google Assistant. Tap on, then you get voice match option. Tap on, click on to turn on, then you get this option. Scroll down, press on I agree, scroll down and I agree. Say hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Second step, now say hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Now say okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Now say okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, overall setup. Next, and now it's set up. I'm easily use this. Hey Google, what's the weather in tomorrow?
In Sherpur there will be scattered thunderstorms with a high.
So that's it.